Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on XVG. Recently, we were following a big drop of XVG that was happened after the rejection by a very long-term and very strong resistance line. And this was one of those videos. And now if we move to the live 7 days time frame chart, and this was the resistance line that starts from 1.7 cents and goes to 2.1 cents. That had been previously working as a support line here for several weeks or months. And after the breakdown, since after the month of November 2021, it is flipped into a resistance. We got rejection here, and recently we got a few more rejections here as well. And by the way, at the same time, the pricing is also getting rejected again and again by this very long-term uptrend line resistance as well. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for Golem, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can watch when I shared this signal. Like here, you can see I shared the signal a few days ago on 18th of Feb 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target sign, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very, very powerful pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of XVG. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it was moving inside this falling wedge pattern. Let me to show you on the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it was moving inside this wedge. And after getting squeezed, finally we broke it out. And after the breakout, we retested the previous resistance of the wedge as support, and we had some price accumulation here. Then we had a very, very powerful pump. By the way, the technical target that I was telling you for this breakout was here at the top of the wedge. That was approximately at 1 cent. Price and rallied more than our expected target, but got rejected by a very long-term resistance line that starts from 2.1 cents and goes to 1.7 cents. Now we are switched back to the 7 days time frame chart, and you can see that we got a few rejections here. Now, recently we have broken down this support of 1 cent that was also breaking at the resistance here. And now we are about to hit this next long-term support of $0.0045. And by the way, this $0.0045 has been recently breaking as a very strong resistance here for several weeks and support here and resistance here. And for several weeks or months, it has been breaking as a resistance here as well. Therefore, it can work as a very, very strong support for the price. And by the way, in case of breaking it down, the next long-term support will be here at $0.0025. It was also recently working as a support here and support here and a support here. Therefore, again, it can work as a very, very strong support. I'm not expecting that the price and will break down this support of $0.0045. And in case of another reversal from here, first we will need to break out this resistance of 1 cent. Then pricing can hit this long-term resistance on that starts from 1.7 cents and goes to 2.1 cents. And after that, it can again hit this very long-term resistance, the uptrend line resistance as well. You can see that this resistance is coming from the month of August 2022. We got rejections here, and we got almost two more rejections here, another rejection here, and this time if the price and reaches there, and again, it can work at a very, very strong resistance for the price line of XVG. Now, if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, you can see that after the breakout from this wedge, we had a very, very massive rally, but so far the price and did not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And that target is here at the top of this wedge that is somewhere between 8 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.